Wolves are among the most intelligent and cooperative predators on Earth. Their lives revolve around social bonds.
At the heart of wolf life is social behavior. They rely on trust, communication, and teamwork to survive in the wild.
Howling isn't just about mystery. It's their way of gathering the pack, marking territory, and strengthening unity.
Play is more than fun. It teaches young wolves skills, builds relationship, and prepares them for real challenges.
Wolf families are structured around an alpha pair. They are not tyrants, but guiding parents of the pack.
Every pack is a family. Pups are cared for not only by parents, but also by older siblings acting as babysitters.
The pack's greatest strength lies in unity. Together, they can hunt prey much larger than any single wolf could handle. Hunting begins with patience. Wolves test the herd, searching for weakness, the old, the young, or the injured.
Once a target is chosen, the chase begins. Wolves rely on stamina, not speed, to exhaust their prey.
Coordination is key. Some wolves block escape routes, while others push the prey toward ambush positions.
Coordination is key. Some wolves block escape routes, while others push the prey toward ambush positions. In the final moments, teamwork delivers the kill, each member playing a role in the success. Food is shared. The young and the weak often eat first, proving that cooperation extends beyond the hunt.
Defending the kill is just as important. Wolves protect their hard-earned meal from eagles, bears, and other rivals. After the hunt, the pack rests side by side, reinforcing bonds through grooming, play, and quiet companionship.
Young wolves learn by watching. Every hunt, every howl, every gesture is part of their education. Social behavior, family ties, and hunting tactics make wolves not just predators, but symbols of unity and resilience. The story of the wolf is the story of cooperation, a reminder of the power of family and the strength of the pack.